Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Our sincere thanks to our dear friends who regularly watch our videos. The caption for today's video is To Live Healthy and Young, Triphala Churna. In this video, we have talked about how to make Triphala Churna at home to keep us healthy and young. We have mentioned the necessary ingredients names, we have mentioned the measurement of each ingredient, and we have mentioned the benefits of Triphala Churna and how they are clearly described. The ingredients for making the Triphala Churna are Hari Thaki, Bibi Thaki, Amla Indian gooseberry. The benefits of Triphala Churna are it eliminates obstruction of the respiratory tract and helps maintain a balanced breathing and sinusitis, protects against mucus in the respiratory tract and protects against bacteria, relieves headaches caused by metabolism and corrects the eyesight disorder, increases antibiotic immunity in our body, helps in secreting proper level of alkaline and acidic conditions in the esophagus, corrects digestive disorders, it has the power to cure all diseases, helps clean the intestines, eliminates toxins in the body, controls the amount of sugar in the blood, helps functioning the pancreas and secreting insulin. It is advisable to take Triphala Churna as a medication in the case of high sugar levels called hyperglycemia. Helps the liver secrete bile, a liquid that dissolves fat in blood. Helps reduce body fat and helps you lose weight and obesity. Helps anemic people who suffer from a decrease in the number of red cells and hemoglobin in the blood can and get rid of the anemia. Expels the blood-borne grimaces. It is therefore used to treat skin diseases. Cleanses the blood. Thus, Triphala protects the body from infection, helps expel tapeworms and ringworms in the stomach. Also, it controls insect growth and infections in the stomach. It is being used as an excellent laxative. Helps keeping us young. Helps prevent wrinkles in the skin. Measurement and recipe of each ingredient required for making Triphala Churna. Take equal parts of Hartiki, Bibi Thaki, and Amla Indian gooseberry. For example, 100 grams of Hari Thaki, 100 grams of Bibi Thaki, and 100 grams of Amla Indian gooseberry. First, remove the seeds and skins separately. Afterwards, the skins from which the seeds are removed should be thoroughly cleansed. Then, dry them in the shade. Dry skins should be thoroughly milled in a mix. Then, the only available powder is Triphala Churna. Keep this Triphala Churna in an airtight bottle. It can be used for up to 6 months. The methods of use of the Triphala Churna. The Triphala Churna can be used by people of all ages. There are many benefits if you take Triphala Churna daily at night. During the summer season, you should drink the Triphala Churna by mixing it with water. During the rainy season, drink the Triphala Churna with warm water. Drink the Triphala Churna with honey during the winter season. During the winter season, you should drink the Triphala Churna with hot water. If you take the Triphala Churna daily like this, you are sure to live healthy and young. Dear friends, to live healthy and young, check out our other herbal videos in our Pusha Creations channel. If you like this video, press the like button and the share button. See you again. Thank you.